Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7 and we're here to present our Adventour, a mobile application for tourists. I am Maria Nicole Panganiban.
I'm Harold De La Cruz.
So what is Adventour? This application is for people who have trouble in finding specific things or places in tourist attractions, particularly in museums. There's a feature that has a function that displays information such as room number, floor, and gives direction to find the things that they wanted to see inside the specific tourist spot. Next po. Harold.
Sorry sir, this is the who will benefit of our apps. First po is tourists because there are tourists who do not know the place and roads to the tourist spot they want. Second is the tour guides because he can easily take the tourist to the tourist spot. And also one of the things that can help not to confuse the tour guide with the destination that he will take the tourist. Third is the student. This app can help student a lot. For example, po ay sa museum. Di ba po malaki yung sa museum, maaari ka po dito malito at magpabalik-balik sa mga papasukan mo po. Halimbawa po, gusto makita yung kay Lolong, nasa 4th floor po siya, halimbawa. By using this app po, malalaman mo kung saan yung pwesto ni Lolong at may tuturo nito yung daan papunta sa gusto mong puntahan. Next po.
So the next slide is proposed know-how. In this slide, this would explain on how our application helps our beneficiaries. So the app helps the people to find the place they want to go. For example, they want to go in the museums, specifically, they want to explore inside the said place. By searching it in the app, lalabas yung mga nearby places na pwede mong puntahan. Then may mga certain list of rooms or floor na makikita mo sa apps na mapapadali ka sa paghahanap. Then there are pictures na voice-over na mas makakatulong sa'yo to find the place. Then parang katulad lang din po siya ng ways na may mag-guide sa'yo through voice-over. Then this application not only helps you to find location, pero syempre makakasave ka din ng time and effort na puntahan yung mga gusto mong puntahan.
For the customer segment, this application will use psychographic segmentation. Why? Because it targets the group of people with the same interests and agendas. This application obviously targets the people who love or want to go to different tourist spots here in the Philippines, especially in Manila. Next slide.
Value proposition. The main purpose of this application is to assist those who struggle place in the museum. What I said earlier, this app is great help because it can guide student, tourist, and especially first timer to avoid the confusion of the way they will enter the museum room and also avoid wasting time for long search. Next po.
Sorry, nakamute po. Why would our initial customer segment pay for the product or service? This application would be beneficial to them as it provides user-friendly and easy to use using your mobile phone. It is very convenient to use with no hassle and saves time compared to finding the place on your own. This application has their own fund that allows users to give some money but by their own will. The fund may be used for some purposes like for the renovation of the place or to maintain the good looking of it. Also, this app rest assured that the funds will be safe and protected. This application is available to all tourist spots, especially in Manila.
Technology readiness level. Readiness. In terms of technology readiness level, our application is at level 9 because based on our research, there are existing related application that have features like our application and are widely available on app stores for both Android and iOS. However, the developers added some features that make it more useful and original. Next.
Next slide. Next is the diagram. This shows you the flow of our application, how it works when you open and click the buttons in the app, ano nangyayari, and what will be displayed. And next page. Next slide. Next slide. O sa akin lang din lumilipat.
Ayan, lumipat na.
These are the frames that will be displayed in our application. First is the figure 1 or the landing page. It shows the startup screen of the app. It contains the login and the sign-in button. So ayun nga, once we open the application, ito yung unang lalabas. Then when we click the login button, figure 2 will pop up. It displays the login form, which may include the username and password that the user needs to input and click the login button to proceed. Next slide, please. Next is figure 3. It will display the registration or the sign-up process that the user is required to fill out. The forms such as yung first name, last name, password, and re-entering the password kung magmamatch siya dun sa unang tinype mo na password. And there's a checkbox that will ask you if you accept the terms of use and the privacy policy of the app, then click the sign up button to proceed. After clicking the login or sign up button, figure 4 or the home page will display. In this figure, you can search the tourist spot na gusto mong puntahan and makikita mo yung exact location mo by turning on your location dun sa may app. It will automatically display the nearby tourist spots around your area. Next slide. Once you click the desired spot, figure 5 will display. For example, pinindot mo yung Museum of Fine Arts sa figure 4. It will list down all the things inside the museum and the donation button. Next is figure 6. Let's imagine na kinlik mo yung spolarium sa figure 5. The application will automatically give you the destination map with exact location and directions on how to go there. You can also click the volume button sa may upper right side ng frame to give you a voice over direction kagaya nung sa mga ways. It will also display a brief background about Spolarium. Next slide. Next is figure 7. This will display after clicking the menu or yung tinatawag nating burger dun sa may homepage. It shows the user's profile as well as the home, profile, settings, about us, and sign out buttons. Last is figure 8. This is the frame that will be displayed after clicking the donation button in figure 5. It shows the list of different methods about giving donations. For better For better understanding, may I call on Carl Brian Ramos for the actual demonstration of our Adventour application.
So ito po yung actual presentation or yung demo po ng app namin. So dito po sa first page po namin, meron kaming login and sign up. Then pag dito po muna tayo sa login button. Once you click po yung login button, may login form na lalabas na required yung email and password na ilalagay mo. Then after mong ma-fill outan lahat to, magpo-proceed ka sa login button, then pag pinlik mo siya, lalabas yung homepage which is nandito yung mga pwede mong puntahan. Then kapag inopen mo si location mo, magkakaroon ka ng map na kung nasaan ka. Then lalabas yung mga nearby places na pwede mong puntahan or yung mga tourist spot. Then katulad yan ng sinabi kanina ni Maria, pag pinindot yung isang lugar or let's say for example yung Museum of Fine Arts, yan lalabas yung mga list of places dun sa inside of Fine Arts na pwede mong puntahan. Then for example, pindutin natin si Spolarium. Then ito, may lalabas na direct direct map which is kung nasaan ka and papunta dun sa place na pindot mo o yung Spolarium na lugar. Then nagdagdag po kami ng mga explanation nung lugar, then yung mga artists and dimensions. So para saan po ba itong yung parang etong music na to? Ito po yung para sa voice over. Yung sa voice over po, ito po yung mag-guide sa inyo. Parang katulad lang din po siya ng Waze na nagsasabi na for example, turn left, turn right. So yun lang din po siya. Then dito po, balik po tayo. Meron po kaming donations na nilagay. Let's say for example, magdo-donate si user. Meron po kaming mga donation method like GCash, PayPal, or other method. Then after that, naglagay din po kami ng menu. Meron dito na profile ni user. Then merong home, profile, settings, and about us. Then naglagay din po kami ng logout button. Once na kinlik mo siya, magpo-proceed siya sa pinaka-landing page. Then proceed naman po tayo sa sign up. Once na kinlik mo si sign up button, magpo-proceed ka dito sa sign up form. Then hihingi sa yung mga information needed, like for example, first name, last name, password, and confirm password. Pag na-fill out mo na to lahat, pwede ka na mag-proceed dun sa sign up button. Then eto lang din po yung lalabas, yung katulad nung kanina sa pag-login. Then yun, makakagawa ka na po ng account.